In this video, I'm going to break down affiliate marketing for beginners. This is the best place to start on YouTube. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do to start affiliate marketing and start making some money today. Stick with me. This is for people who want to steer clarting point. How about that to start the video? A clear starting point. I don't edit these. I don't care enough. Let's stick with me though. Here's what affiliate marketing is. You get paid to promote other people's products. It's very simple. When you sign up, you get your unique affiliate link and it tracks you automatically. When you share your link and people buy through your link, you get a commission for that sale. Here's why most beginners feel overwhelmed. There's too much information, it's contradictory advice, and not one clear path. But I think I remember starting affiliate marketing, like I didn't know what it was for the first year. I still didn't know what the heck the term meant. And I tried to Google it and it still like didn't make sense. It was fuzzy in my head, but it's as simple as that. You're promoting someone else's product. Know the real goal before you start. The goal is not to chase random one-time payments. The real goal is to build $10,000 a month or more passive income. All right. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that by the end of this video. So stick with me. One-time money versus reoccurring money. One-time commissions are here and there, and reoccurring commissions can pay you out years down the line. Imagine starting an offer, putting in effort right now, and still earning commissions 5 years later. It's a beautiful thing. You build stability and you get reoccurring income that you can rely on every single month. Choose a problem that you want to solve. Okay. I highly suggest health, wealth, or love niches simply because these niches can never be oversaturated. People will always have a problem with their bank accounts, their love life, or their health. Avoid picking a niche only because it's popular. So sometimes, fidget spinners or whatever else, can become popular, but eventually fizzles out over time. Okay. You need to solve an issue that is a reoccurring issue 5 years later from now. Know the main types of affiliate offers. There's one-time commissions, low ticket offers, and reoccurring commissions. Here's why tiny commissions are dangerous. You need a ton of traffic, and you still might not make the money that you want to make. And then even if you do, you have to recreate that success the next month, which is very hard to do. Prioritize reoccurring commissions whenever possible. And again, I'm going to reveal how by the end of the video, so stick around. Reoccurring offers match the goal of building predictable income. One good referral can keep paying for many months. Understand how you get tracked and paid. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you can see the stats of how many clicks you've brought in and how many commissions, how many sales you've made through your link. But you need to understand how that's tracked, and you need to learn how much percentage of the sale you're getting. You need to learn the cookie direction. This is where it gets complicated, but the cookie duration is simply how long you get credit for the sale. Okay, so if someone clicks your link and 90 days later they buy, you may or may not get credit for that sale. I'm going to tell you a program where you will absolutely get credit for that sale no matter how long after they sign up. You need to choose one main offer. Don't offer 10 different solutions and confuse people. You need one offer in one niche. Okay. Every social media platform that you choose to promote your offer on is going to prefer or demand that you stick with the same niche. You need to locate your link, understand the system completely, store your referral link, use it often. And your job is simply to connect the right people to the right solution. Set real expectations. This is not an overnight get rich quick scheme. You need to build skills The solution I give you will tell you exactly how to build those skills and have an honest timeline. You need to give this at least a year before you expect any kind of real income. And the reason is that's just how long it takes to build traffic online. Shiny offers will try to pull you away. There's always going to be something new. You're going to try to switch. But what you need to do is stay anchored and believe in one offer and give the systems enough time to work. All it is matching a traffic system to an offer. And you have to be honest about your efforts. Did you bring enough traffic? And did you pick the right offer? Let's skip these here. I know the slideshow is pretty, but I want to give you guys the solution as quickly as possible. So, know the difference between a weak offer and low exposure. And you need structured guidance. When you start affiliate marketing, you're not really going to know what to do. Okay. Project Profit solves that. Okay. By giving you both a referral system that pays you recurring commissions and teaches you how to drive the traffic. Okay. As a member, you receive a unique affiliate link, automatically tracked, paid out directly to you automatically. You get 50% recurring commissions for referring other members to the group. Okay, so someone joins, they stay, and you earn. Picture what happens when you add more people. You get a growing base and a growing floor of income that you can depend on every month. Turn this plan into action. The first thing I want you to do is share this video with someone else who wants to make money. Like this video, comment your income goals below, and watch this video like 100 times to help me blow up on YouTube. And then, if you're ready to start making money, click the link in the description below and sign up, and let's make some money.